So I recently got asked to upload some of my favourite fails, so we're going to go back over some of the Rufford Ford stuff and see what we got. I'm currently at Petrol Hedonism Live. It's quite an event, it's a beautiful day out here. Let's get back to the fails, check them out, see which is your favourite. So that donut decided that he was going to fishtail the back end, try and soak us all, but as you saw, he ended up by drowning his truck. Never mind. So with that one, we couldn't believe that she actually made it through that. Big splash in, straight over the bonnet. We thought it was going to drown for sure, but no, her and the car made it out. Again, this is one of my absolute favourites. The fella saw it, he decided he was going to launch his car in there and absolutely destroys it. I mean, I don't know what it is with the Ford Focus. A black Ford Focus diesel. You probably saw the other one up at Beanford that we had, but this one really destroyed it. I still laugh about this donut. So he pulls up in his van and he decides that he's going to saturate and soak us all. He had a good go at it, he nearly did, but in the process he destroyed his van. Check him out afterwards, the face of thunder on this guy.
Yay! What an absolute fool.
You and them.
So again, we couldn't believe this one. So that you've got the van that's broken down, and this Chancellor decides he's going to also send it through Rufford Ford. Even though there's a broken down van in the middle of the road, he launches it in there and see what happens. So it's a sunny day, you've borrowed your partner's car. You come up to Rufford Ford. It looks deep. What do? Not this.
I didn't think of that stupid thing really, didn't you?
So this one coming up is great. He's ignored the police at the far end of the road. He's ignored the police road closed signs and then sends it through. The police had a bit of a word with him. Check it out. Hey, closed. It's closed. You passed the sign at 2 cones. You have. So remember the guy with the Jaguar? Well, he left it exactly where it was. He went off to play golf. Turns out the police wanted to have a little chat with him.